How's it going YouTube? It's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the Atmos Elephant colorway. This latest colorway of the SB Dunk Low pays homage to the iconic Atmos Elephant Air Max 1. One of the most beloved Air Max 1s of all time, it's one of my personal favorites, and seeing this color scheme adopted on the SB Dunk Low, for me this was an absolute must cop. So these dunks retailed for a price of $100 US or $135 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is medium gray, white, black, and clear jade. So jumping straight into this shoe, the toe box of the sneaker is constructed out of this white colored leather. We have the signature perforations found throughout, and in terms of the quality, this leather was actually a bit better than I expected. It has a decent softness to it, and it sort of reminds me of the quality of leather we saw on the Syracuse and the Kentucky Dunk Low SPs. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, this is covered in this elephant print, which when you compare it to your traditional elephant print, the black lines are much thicker, much more scattered, and has a much busier appearance overall. Moving downwards, the mid panel is covered in black colored suede, and then overlaid on top, we have this patent leather Nike swoosh, which is done in this clear jade color. Moving further back, we have more of that elephant print, and the elephant print loops around the back, surrounding the bottom of the heel. Above this, we have more of that black colored suede, and then the top of the heel, there's another small hit of elephant print with the Nike word mark embroidered in this teal color. For the laces, these come with an oval shaped black colored lace, but they also give you a secondary pair of gray colored laces if you want to give the shoe a little bit more contrast, but for me, I'm sticking with the OG look, so I'm definitely keeping these black laces on. Underneath the laces, we have your signature stuffed tongue, and this is covered with this black colored nylon on the outside, and at the top we have this tag which has Nike SB branding, which is done in a combination of black and teal. Taking up the insoles, these come with a black colored insole with Nike SB and Zoom Air branding on the heel in teal, and then flipping the insole over to the other side, this being an SB Dunk, of course we have a Zoom Air unit attached underneath the heel for cushioning and impact protection. The upper of these SB Dunks sits atop this white colored midsole, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your traditional Dunk Low Pro outsole. This is for the most part done in this black colored rubber. We have a circular traction pattern on the forefoot with the exposed foam in the middle, which is this teal portion, and we have Nike SB branding on it. So that pretty much breaks down all you need to know about the look and the construction of this shoe. For those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and almost always with the SB Dunk Low, I go up to a 10.5. For this pair, I got these in a 10.5, and to me they fit me great. The tongue has a decent amount of padding to it, so for me it just feels better going up the half size. So I'd say whatever size you normally wear for the SB Dunk Low, I'd stick with that same size for this colorway. Next up, in terms of comfort, overall not much needs to be said. The SB Dunk Low, this colorway included, has a very firm and very low to the ground feel, which makes sense considering this is a skateboarding sneaker. If you're expecting something with a lot of softness to it, then you might be disappointed with this pair. Even though there's Zoom Air underneath the heel, honestly you can't really feel it too much, so this is going to be an okay shoe for just casual use, but don't expect anything too much from a step-in comfort perspective. Last but not least, quickly touching upon the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, overall I'd say that it wasn't bad at all. As I mentioned from the start, this white leather that they used has a nice softness to it, and then the rest of the materials used on the shoe wasn't bad either. It's definitely by no means a super premium feeling shoe, but at the same time, for a shoe that's $100 US or 135 Canadian dollars, I'd say that the quality that you get for this pair is definitely worth the retail price. The one thing I didn't love, of course, is the way that the elephant print was done. So as I mentioned earlier, it has much more of this chaotic look to it, and there's definitely way too much black on the elephant print than there traditionally is, especially when you compare it to the original look of the elephant print found on the Jordan 3s from 1988. So with all that being said, now let's lace up these Atmos Elephant SB Dunk Lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, I'd say that this is a really well executed shoe, of course minus the fact that they really messed up the elephant print. Still, I'd say that this is the best of both worlds, combining elements of one of my favorite Air Max 1s of all time onto another silhouette that I love, the Dunk Low SB. Currently, resale prices I believe are hovering around 600 or so Canadian dollars. So this is definitely not a shoe that's totally gonna break the bank if you're looking to pick this up on the secondary market. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this SB Dunk Low in the Atmos Elephant colorway. How do you guys feel about the look of this shoe? And for those that are looking to pick this up, if you didn't manage to grab these for retail, are you guys at least considering to buy these on the secondary market, or is this more of a retail or bust pair? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.